Look deep into nature, then you will understand everything better. Learn from nature because nature can provide invaluable learning and beauty. Don't just enjoy the beauty of nature. We must maintain and care for it. Sharing time with nature, you will know who you really are. Give the best to nature, and nature will be kind to give the best to you. Natural beauty is a gift that fosters appreciation and gratitude. Don't just enjoy this nature, but also take care of it. Nature is satisfied with simplicity, and nature is not a puppet. Nature paints for us day after day, providing infinite beauty. Nature exists more than just making people live. Nature is also a sign of the way back to peace. As long as you have no subtle sense of seeing nature, your soul is not alive. Time spent among the trees is never a waste of time. With the stars, with the moon, with the night sky, just by looking at nature, you feel peace. Nature creates ability. Luck provides it with opportunity. Nature is not a place to be. It's home. The joy of seeing and understanding is nature's most beautiful gift. Life alone is not enough. One must have sunshine, freedom, and a few flowers. If nature is fierce enough for you to conquer, try to fight it with humility, not violence. Learn from nature because nature can provide invaluable learning and beauty. Plant the seeds of happiness, hope, success, and love. They will all return to you in abundance. This is a law of nature.